Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including HCL Technologies, Infosys, Asian Paints, etc. Those have announced split or dividend or bonus. Along with, we will discuss the details of some upcoming IPOs. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. ADS Diagnostics Limited share is trading around rupees 11. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.2 per share. 30th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vedanta Limited VEDL current market price rupees 513. Company announced a board meeting on 8th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is dividend. HCL Technologies Limited HCL Tech current market price rupees 1812. Company announced a board meeting on 14th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Infosys Limited current market price rupees 1908. Company announced a board meeting on 17th October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Asian Paints Limited current market price rupees 3313. Company announced a board meeting on 23rd October 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing unaudited financial results. Selvin Traders Limited current market price rupees 25. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2 and announced a bonus in the ratio 1:8. Bonus 1:8 means if you have 80 shares of Selvin Traders, you will get 10 shares as bonus. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Selvin Traders. Abans Enterprises Limited current market price rupees 161. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of Abans Enterprises, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Abans Enterprises. Jindal Saw Limited current market price rupees 747. Jindal Saw announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th October 2024. Reliance Industries Limited Reliance current market price rupees 3049. Reliance Industries announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Reliance Industries, you will get 10 more shares as bonus. So total you will have 20 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Solex Energy Limited Solex current market price rupees 1330. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:4. That means if you have 400 shares of Solex Energy, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 500 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Solex Energy. Gillette India Limited Gillette current price rupees 8481. Company announced a dividend of rupees 45 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Punjab National Bank current market price rupees 109. Motilal Oswal recommends to buy Punjab National Bank for a target of rupees 135. ITC Limited ITC current price rupees 523. Axis Direct recommends to buy ITC for a target of rupees 550. Mox Overseas Educom Limited Mox share is trading around rupees 186. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced. Upcoming IPOs. Forge Auto International Limited face value rupees 10 per share. Price band 102 to 108. Lot size 1200 shares. IPO open date is fixed as 26th September 2024 and IPO closes on 30th September 2024. Basis of allotment on 1st October 2024. Initiation of fund 3rd October 2024. Credit of shares to demat account 3rd October 2024. Listing date is fixed as 4th October 2024. Promoter shareholding pre-issue is 100% and promoter shareholding post-issue is 73.63%. Forge Auto International Limited incorporated in 2001. Forge Auto International Limited is an engineering company that forges and manufactures complex, safety, critical, forged, and precision machined components for the auto industry, automobiles, tractors, railways, etc. And non-auto sectors, agriculture parts, hydraulic parts, striking tools, etc. The company serves its customers including domestic and global original equipment manufacturer OEMs engaged in manufacturing for both the automotive and non-automotive sectors. Its products are used across various industries by a diverse customer base. This is the balance sheet of Forge Auto International Limited. Sahasra Electronic Solutions Limited. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 269 to 283. Lot size 400 shares. IPO open date 26th September and closest date 30th September 2024. Basis of allotment on 1st October and initiation of fund on 3rd October. Credit of shares to demat account 3rd October. Listing date 4th October. Promoter shareholding pre-issue 95% and promoter shareholding post-issue 69.9%. Sahasra Electronic Solutions Limited. Incorporated in February 2023, Sahasra Electronic Solutions Limited is an electronic system design and manufacturing company that provides electronic system design and manufacturing services at its Noida plant. The company provides products and solutions such as printed circuit board, assembly, box build and LED lighting, memory, IT accessories, computer and IT hardware. During financial year 2024, the company exported over 80% of its products and solutions to global manufacturers in countries such as the United States of America, Rwanda, Tunisia and United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, Austria and Belgium. This is the balance sheet of Sahasra Electronic Solutions Limited for the last 2 years. Divyathan Recycling Industries. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 60 to 64. Lot size 2000 shares. IPO open date 26th September and IPO closes on 30th September. Base of allotment on 1st October. Initiation of fund 3rd October 2024. Credit of shares to demat account 3rd October 2024. Listing date on 4th October. Promoter shareholding pre-issue 94.06% and promoter shareholding post-issue 69.24%. Incorporated in May 2010, Divyathan Recycling Industries Limited manufactures recycled polyester staple fibers and recycled pellets. The company is certified for quality management system ISO 14001:2015 and environmental management system 1000 ISO 14001:2015 for manufacturing recycled polyester staple fiber. The company operates in two business verticals. Recycled fiber. The company produces synthetic fiber known as recycled polyester staple fiber from PET bottles such as those used for Coke, soda, water and other post-consumable PET bottles. Recycled pellet chips. They also manufacture pellets called recycled pellets which are sourced from the same raw materials as recycled polyester staple fiber. This is the balance sheet of Divyathan Recycling Industries for the last 3 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.